How can I split a text into sentences? I have a text file. I need to get a list of sentences. How can this be implemented? There are a lot of subtleties, such as a dot being used in abbreviations. My old regular expression works badly.
The Natural Language Toolkit, nltk.org, has what you need. This group posting indicates this does it. I haven't tried it.
This function can split the entire text of Huckleberry Finn into sentences in about 0.1 seconds and handles many of the more painful edge cases that make sentence parsing non-trivial. For example, Mr. John Johnson Jr. was born in the USA but earned his PhD in Israel before joining Nike Incorporated as an engineer. He also worked at Craigslist.org as a business analyst.
Instead of using regex for splitting the text into sentences, you can also use NLTK library. Ref. This URL.
You can try using Spacy instead of regex. I use it and it does the job.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.